Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about if-else statement in C language. So if-else statement, so it executes one block of code if the condition is true and it executes another block of the code if the condition becomes false. Okay, if the condition is true, true body of the if statement will be executed. If the condition is false, false body of the if statement will be executed. So for example, let me explain through a program. So here I wrote a program, okay, to find out even number or odd number by using the if else statement. Okay, so as include standard input output header file into main. So I declared a number as a 15. Number is a variable which I declared as an integer and assign value 15 to the variable number. So number, if the number is number divided by 2 equal to 0, what is the number here? So 15. 15 divided by 2 equal to 0 means it is a modulo operation. It gives a reminder. Okay, 2 7 the 14. So the remainder of this number divided by 2 equal to 1. So this 1 equal to 0 false. So this condition becomes false. Hence it does not enter into the true body of the if statement. Hence so it enters into the, because it is a condition is false, no, hence it enters into the else body of the if else statement, and this else body will be executed. Output will be printed as a output odd number. Okay, if the condition is true, even number will be printed onto the screen. If the condition is false, odd number will be printed onto the screen. Okay, so let me explain this through an example. Okay, this is a program I wrote. So here number equal to I assign 15. So 15 divided by 2, the remainder gives 1. So 1 is 1 not equal to 0. Hence, so the condition becomes false. Hence, it does not enter into the true body of the if statement. Hence, because the condition is false, it enters into the else body of the if statement. Hence, the output will is going to this printf percentage d is an odd number. So if the condition is false, odd number is going to display onto the screen. If the condition is true, even number is going to display onto the screen. For example, let me explain this. File save. Okay, 1.c. Yes. So I'm going to execute this. So printer compile and run. I got output is what? 15 is odd number. 15 is odd number because the condition is false here. So it is going to display odd number. 15 is odd number. Okay. Now, for example, I am writing 14 here. I am writing 14 here, right? So now, so into number, a number variable I declared as an integer 14. Now number equal to 14, no, 14 divided by 2, yes, 14 divided by 2, the remainder will give 0. Now 0 equal to 0, it is true. Hence it enters into the true body of the if statement. Now I am going to get this printf statement onto the screen. So 14 is an even number. So okay, na? So if the condition is true, true body will be executed. If the condition is false, false body will be executed. Only output you are going to get either true body of the if statement or false body of the if statement. Any one of the output you are going to get in the if else statement, because now I wrote this condition, no, so I assigned 14 to the number. Let me check my output. Execute, compile and run. So now it gives a 14 as an even number. Previously I got 15 as an odd number because the condition false body executed. Here the condition is true body will be executed. So any one output is expected onto the screen. But in the previous case, if statement means what? Only if the condition is true body will be executed. There is no else body for this because it is a simple if. Okay. So this is a if statement. Okay, na? Thank you very much, dear students.